Syncing your time tracking with your invoicing software might sound complicated, but I'm going to show you exactly how to do it in this quick 3-minute tutorial. If you've ever wished your time tracking and invoicing worked seamlessly together, you're in the right place. Stay tuned till the end, and I'll share a free trial of the software we're using in this video, exclusive for my viewers. Now, let's dive straight into the steps. First, you want to make sure that both your time tracking and invoicing software are compatible. Many platforms today offer built-in integrations with popular time tracking tools. If you haven't chosen one yet, don't worry, I'll recommend a great option for you later in the video. Start by connecting both your time tracking tool and invoicing software. Most of the time, this is as simple as logging into both accounts and linking them through the integration settings. You'll usually find this option under the Integrations or Connections section in the software settings. Once you're connected, it's time to set up how the data flows between the two. Typically, your time tracking software will let you select what kind of time entries should be transferred over to your invoicing system. This could include billable hours, overtime, or even specific projects. You'll need to adjust these settings to ensure the correct data is being synced automatically. Now, here's where things get interesting: customizing the sync. Most systems will allow you to tailor the sync to your needs. For example, you can set up your time entries to automatically create draft invoices based on your tracked hours, or even automatically send those invoices to clients after the time is synced. This can save you a lot of time on administrative tasks. If you run into any syncing issues, make sure you double-check your time tracking settings. Sometimes, small errors like missing categories or incorrect billing codes can cause discrepancies when syncing with your invoicing software. If you're having trouble, most platforms offer troubleshooting guides or support teams that can help resolve these issues quickly. As we wrap up, here's a key takeaway. Syncing your time tracking with your invoicing software is a game changer for saving time and avoiding mistakes. The key steps are connecting the software, customizing how the data syncs, and checking for any errors or discrepancies to ensure everything works smoothly. Before you go, remember that I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial of the software we've used in this video. Link is in the description below. It's a great way to follow along and see how it can streamline your workflow. To quickly recap, we connected our time tracking and invoicing software, customized the sync settings, and addressed any errors to ensure a smooth process. Syncing your time tracking with your invoicing software is simple and effective, so give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free trial in the description.